Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Shopify to Instagram Easy Guide. First, confirm your Instagram is a business profile and link to Facebook Business Manager. Next, verify your Shopify store meets commerce eligibility and has a product catalog. Then install the Instagram sales channel in Shopify and follow the setup prompts to connect accounts, sync products, and enable tagging for seamless shopping on Instagram. Start by checking eligibility and catalog setup so Instagram approves your shop quickly. Review commerce policies and confirm your products meet rules before applying. Use the Shopify Facebook integration to create or sync your catalog, then fix any product errors. Make sure images, prices, and descriptions are accurate to avoid rejections. This step smooths the review and gets your shop ready for tagging products in posts and stories. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control, great for keeping your filming space tidy. It pairs nicely with productivity tips and saves time between shoots. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. After your catalog is linked, request Instagram shopping review inside the Instagram app to enable shopping features. When approved, activate product tagging and practice tagging items in feed posts and stories to drive traffic to your Shopify store. Keep inventory and order fulfillment accurate to avoid issues and maintain customer trust. Lastly, monitor shopping insights to see which products perform best and optimize listings for better conversions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.